GM Authority recognized that the recently unveiled 2019 Buick Envision is missing something: a Buick badge on the left side of the tailgate. Every other vehicle the carmaker sells features that script, but not the new mid-sized crossover. When the site asked about the omission, representatives recently told GM Authority that Buick will stop using the brand badge on the rear of its vehicles. Starting with the 2019 model year, the only identifiers that will remain are the three-color Tri-Shield logo and the model nameplate, that is, Envision or Regal. We can't think of any other mass-market major automaker playing such a bold game. Even Bugatti, Rolls-Royce, Bentley, and Aston Martin affixed their brand names to their vehicles within company icons or on brake calipers, albeit in small fonts. The coming Continental will wear the word Bentley across its trunk. Silverware the present Continental does without. Porsche allows customers to delete model designations, but it must be requested. At the other end of the spectrum, the Ford Mustang Bullitt wears 0 badges, but the Bullitt is a special edition of a well-known model that otherwise advertises its provenance everywhere. Buick plays in hard-fought segments where mass appeal overrules instantly identifiable design daring. Those kinds of car makers usually want to take every opportunity to advertise every sale. Remember the last Buick to go without a make badge? The terrifically handsome Buick Vista concept that wore only 2 Tri-Shield logos and its model name on the deck lid. Perhaps that gave Buick some ideas. If the carmaker plans to start putting out cars like the Vista, then this move makes perfect sense.